I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out.
So, the percentiles are values that divide a set of observations in an array into 100 equal parts. So now, on how to compute the ith percentile, Pi is equal to the value of the I times n plus 1 over 100 ith observation. So this is the formula in finding the ith percentile. So for example, the following were the scores of 10 students in a short quiz. So these are the examples: 2, 8, 6, 9, 7, 5, 8, 10, 10, 1. First step is to arrange the data from the lowest to highest. So we should write 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, and 10. Next is, for example, the question is find the 64th percentile. So you will use the formula above. You will write 6 sub 64, then 64, which is the I, or the one which is to be solved, and then times 10 plus 1. 10 is the number of observation divided by 100, since it is a percentile. So it is equal to 7.04, or you will round it off to the next higher integer, which is 8. So the 8th observation. So this is the answer, 8. So you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the 64th percentile. So how to interpret this? Therefore, the 64th percentile is 9, which is interpreted as 64%, since we will find the 64th percentile. So it is interpreted as 64% of the scores are below 9. So that's how we should interpret. Na? So now let's go on to decile. In computing for the ith decile, you should also follow the same rule, the same formula, but then again, you will overall divide it by 10. So for example, the given set of scores in a quiz, find the 4th decile, or D sub 4. So this is the given data, 3, 8, 9, 11, 12, 18, 19. So now you will use the formula D sub 4 is equal to 4, which is the ith, which is the one we are looking for, times 7, which is the number of observation, plus 1 over 10, then equal to 3.2. Then you will round it off to the next higher integer, which is 4. So you will count 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the 4th observation, and 11 is the 4th decile. So in how to interpret this, therefore the 4th decile is 11. 40% of the scores in the quiz are below 11. Go on to quartiles, which are values that divide the array into 4 equal parts. So the Q1 read as first quartile, which is the value below is 25%, Q2 is 50%, and Q3 is 75%. So from the given set of scores in a quiz, find the 3rd quartile, or Q sub 3. So it is 3, 8, 9, 11, 12, 18, and 19. So you also use the same formula, the I times n plus 1, but you will divide it by 4. So let's substitute. I is equal to 3 because we are looking for the 3rd quartile, times 7, which is the number of observation, plus 1 over 4. Then the answer is 6. So 6th observation will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 18 is the 3rd quartile. So how to interpret this? Therefore, the third quartile is 18. This implies that 75% of the scores in the quiz are below 18. Why 75%? Because for Q1, this read as, or which is this the value below the array, or which is 25%, Q2, which is 50%, and Q3 is 75%.